In the previous video, we talked about finding the domain of a function. Now we're going to talk about determining the domain and the range. Now the domain refers to the inputs of the function. The range refers to the outputs of the function. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug in a bunch of inputs into our function and see what kind of outputs we get. So let's say that I plug in 3. Plugging in 3 for x, we get 3 squared, which is 9. Now let's input -2. With -2 as our input, we get +4, because -2 times -2 is +4. Now I'm going to input the square root of 1 over 10, just a random number. The square root and the square will cancel, meaning our output will just be 1 over 10. Now let's input -1/5. If we take -1/5 and we square it, is +1/25. The range refers to all of your outputs. The domain refers to all of your inputs. Now notice the domain, we just plugged in a bunch of random numbers, negative, positive, we didn't care. But notice that the range was always positive. That's because whenever you square a number, you'll make the number positive. Our domain could be anything we wanted it to be, but our range is restricted to only positive numbers or 0.